Hi, this is Michael. Today I am reviewing the Worx HydroShot. The model is WG644. This is a cordless portable power cleaner and it uses two 20-volt batteries. So this is a 40-volt device. Let me show you everything that came in the package. First of all, this is the multi-spray nozzle. Many power washers use a variety of different tips to get you either a powerful pinpoint spray or a very wide, not quite as powerful spray, but it covers a wider range. This is a multi-function tip, and this has 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees all in the one tip. And that just connects to the lance very easily. This has a brass fitting, and you just simply insert the tip into that brass fitting and then release it, and you're firmly locked in there. This next accessory here is the quick connect adapter. So the initial concept for this was to be used in the absence of a municipal water supply. So you could just get a 5-gallon pail of water, use the draw hose that's provided, and connect that directly to the nozzle here. But they do give you this quick connect, so if you do have access to your own water supply, then you can connect your hose to here, and then this just connects to the power nozzle like this. And it's as simple as that. Now I also want to mention that there's a screen built in here, so you want to clean that probably every use if you're using a bucket of water, and just get a crescent wrench or proper sized wrench to open this up, and you can see there's a screen in there, and that'll collect any sediment that gets pulled up from your water bucket. To tighten this back down, I hand tighten it, and then I just give it a little bit more, about 1/4 of a turn maximum. You don't want to strip those plastic threads in there. This is the battery pack and charger. The charger can charge 2 of these 20-volt batteries simultaneously. It takes 2 hours to charge 2 batteries at the same time. You can also charge 1 battery at a time, and let's say you've got other Worx products that are only 20 volts, then you could charge one of the batteries first. That'll take about an hour to fully charge 1 battery, and then it'll next move to the second battery and charge that one. But when they're both charging at the same time, it'll take 2 hours for both batteries to be fully charged. What I think is kind of funny is the size of the power adapter here. Look at the size of this thing. It is huge. So I don't know why it has to be that big, but it is, and that takes up quite a bit of space on your wall outlet. So just be aware of that. Now the feeder hose is 20 feet long. It's fairly flexible. It's not really as stiff as some other power washing hoses that I've used. And it does have a filter on one end. This is the end that would go in your bucket. So this filter is going to help prevent drawing up sediment from there. And then this is just a float ball which just holds the hose a little bit better in place once you get it in your bucket. And then there's a clip on there as well that you can just attach to the edge of your bucket. This is also quick connect, so in the same manner you just get your power nozzle and attach it just like this, and you are good to go. The nozzle itself feels very substantial. It's not as flimsy feeling as I initially thought it might feel, so it really feels sturdy and substantial. There's a safety lock here for turning this on. That's a protection because this can generate quite a lot of pressure. It's not going to be as much pressure as a gas-powered or dedicated power washer, but it generates quite a bit of pressure. They rate the pressure at 450 psi or 290 psi, depending on whether you're choosing the high or low setting on this. So I didn't show you that, but on the front here there is the high-low button, and that'll determine whether you're getting the high pressure or the lower pressure. As far as the gallons per minute, basically the flow is going to be 0.9 gallons per minute. So Obviously, this is not giving you as much power as a full-blown power washer, nor was it intended to be that. This is for just doing smaller jobs, and it's very portable and very handy. So you can easily spray off your wash your car. If you have outdoor lawn furniture, it's great for spraying that down. I find it really handy to use this to blow leaves off my patio. And things of that nature. So let's get this thing hooked up and go outside, and I'll show you how it works and how loud it is and all those other details. Alright, there's a few more things I need to mention here. First of all, the draw on this is only 5 feet. So if say that you're on your boat or something and you want to drop your hose down into the water, first of all, no salt water, not recommended. Fresh water only, 5-foot maximum draw. If you want to draw hot water and use that in your bucket, 104-degree maximum temperature is what they suggest. So I'm going to check the battery level on the handle here. It shows me at 5 bars, so I have fully charged batteries. This is the safety lever here. I'm going to depress this. Now we need to prime it, so it's going to take a few seconds, probably up to 30 seconds for the water to flow through my hose here. There we go. This is the low pressure. High pressure. The nozzle was set to 15 degrees. Let me set it to 0. Alright, that's 0 degrees, and you already saw 15. Here's 25. And here's 4 degrees. Final impressions, this is really handy. I love it. It's not heavy duty. It's not going to do anything a huge power washer is going to be able to do as effectively, but for doing things like washing windows, blowing debris off your patio, washing your car, things like that, this thing is fantastic. And let me wash this window right here. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the Worx HydroShot, and I think it's a pretty effective, pretty handy tool to have around the house and shop. Works for me. Catch you next time.